Hi guys, this is Dante with Drive and Thrive, and I have some exciting news from Ubereats today. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on future news, tips, and tricks for Ubereats, DoorDash, and Postmates. Alright guys, so I have some exciting news. Ubereats has added in-app messaging in their application so you can directly text the customers when you need to text them for whatever reason. Whether the food's going to be late or whether you're hitting traffic or to give them an ETA. Now you can text them right there in the app, which I love to do because I love updating the customers in other platforms. And even though other platforms don't have the text messaging right in the app either, I love that ability, and I love that Ubereats was proactive here. Let me know in the comments if it's always bothered you a little bit with DoorDash and Ubereats and Postmates that you have to text, like using a fake number, but you have to text from your phone directly to the customers. It's always been a little off-putting to me. Let me know if it has been to you. If it's been a little annoying to you, let me know in the comments. But for whatever reason, Ubereats heard the concerns of drivers, and they've implemented in-app messaging, which is really awesome. I'm about to hit the road here in just a little bit. It's 5 o'clock here in Seattle right now. I'm going to go test this out and see how the in-app messaging system works in the field, so to speak. And let me know what you guys think. If you guys are driving tonight, leave me a message. Let me know, what do you think about this new awesome update? Whether or not you think you'll use the in-app messaging, or what do you think? So I love to hear from you guys. Great news though. I love hearing good news from one of these food delivery companies every once in a while. So leave me a like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching my video. Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.